Hello everyone. There are many different fume extraction solution systems available out there in the industry. But where do I start? What one do I choose? What solution works best for me? Translas offers many unique different solutions. But what makes us different? Join us on Wednesday, March 24th at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time for a short complimentary 30-minute webinar where we will discuss the range of possible solutions that might work for you. Make sure you register now. We look forward to seeing you.